Hi there, student. Today lesson is about Fortran, how to create a file and write some information into this file. First of all, we start with the program name. Start with the program and let's name in the program as writing. Then we put implicit none and in program writing. You can either use end or end program writing, it doesn't matter. No. For those who don't know about implicit none or the meaning of or the function of implicit none, it means that the Fortran compiler doesn't read the predefined variables for the integers, reals, and all these things. It uses what I define inside it. So, for example, if I put I'm not sure actually, but I think the I is predefined in Fortran as an integer. If I want to put it as a real, by using implicit none, now I can define whatever I want as a character, integer, real, whatever. So I'll put it, let's say integer. Or take f, whatever. Integer I and n. To create a file, a new file in Fortran, we use write and open. First of all, we open the file and then write it, or write some information inside it and then close it. First thing we should put open. Here's the identity number for the file. As everyone on earth, as far as I know, has name and number, whether identity, insurance, health card, whatever. Refugees, they have numbers and names. The files in Fortran or any other compilers, MATLAB, as far as I know, they have numbers and names. Here we put the identifier number, which is 13, and then file equals, here's the name of the file I want to create. Let's say example 1 dot, and at the end of this script I would close file, which is 13. Now let's compile it and run it. Reload all, no errors, execute. Oh, there's something happening with my compiler. Start again. By the way, I'm using Microsoft Developer Studio as a compiler. You can use whatever compiler you want, or you're working with G95, Fortran, Fortran, all these compilers. Let's begin running M and I, because I didn't use them, but I will use them later, as you can see. Revoke all, no errors, execute, and here we are pressing key to continue, which is correct, and here you can see example 1.that. If you open this will show it, we'll see it here. There's nothing inside it. To write something inside this file, we use write, open bracket, or parentheses, and you put first of all the identity number, which is 13, and the format, which I will use the default one. In writing, there's two things. The first part here is the name of the file or the variable if you want in the future, and the second one here, the second part is the format. You can also use star or format formula, or you can put a number, let's say 100, refers to the format in a phrase 100. We will see this in the next lessons, but now we will take the default one, the number of the file, and the default format. Here we will put 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and leave up all, compile, press any key, press any key to continue, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The use of these two things or two integers, if I want to use them now, let's say n equals 5, then I will write do loop do 5 equals 1 to n, and then n do just put it in more neat way, and then execute it. You can either compile it, rebuild it, and execute it, or you can directly execute it. As you can see here, press any key to continue, and we continue, and we will see we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other part is the format. I'll show you how to format, which the format way. We start with commas, parentheses, and then the general way or the easy way for it is to, let's say if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, so it was 6, open new parentheses, and put the format way. As you can see here, we use integers, so we use I delimiters, I, and the width of these integers is 5 or 6. Sorry, 5, and the space between them is 1 space. X is the space, and 1 is the 1 space. We want 2, it's different, and so on. Then we execute the script. First of all, there's no warnings because we use all of them, I and n. You put n equals 5, so there's no warnings. And here, press any key to continue. And continue. As you can see also is the file, the format of the file is different than the default one. It was a little bit wider and spread all over the sheet. And to put it in a different way, we should deactivate this one, deactivate this one to show you the difference between them. Copy this one, and so instead of this, you can use stars and execute. Yes, no warning because I didn't use them. Yeah, I didn't use them, so there's no worse, and everything is perfect. Press any key to continue, and you'll see the difference between them. This is the default. The default one gives each number. Let's see, this is column 13. each number has a 13 digit or place. 13 place number or 13 digits, whatever, for each. But in the second one, I gave each number 5 digits. So each one here, this one is 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so on. Another way of writing is this. Copy, paste. Instead of this way, you can see that this 100 and 100 is format. Open parentheses and put the format way. Copy this one. Only the format between the parentheses, show them here, paste. And to make it a little bit different, I will change the number of spaces, make it 5. Here you will see that 5 for the number and 5 spaces, and then this is the 5 of this one, and so you'll see it now. Execute it, yes. Press any key to continue, and these are 3 ways to format with writing. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it's helpful for you. Thank you very much. Thanks indeed.